Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to change a Nissan Titan headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a new bulb and a screwdriver. Safety is key, so make sure your vehicle is off and the engine has cooled down. Once ready, open the hood to gain access to the headlight assembly. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Next, you'll need to access the bulb. Locate the two retaining bolts that secure the headlight assembly in place, usually found at the top. Carefully remove these bolts. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly forward. This will release it from its mounting points, allowing you to reach the bulb. Finally, disconnect the electrical connector from the old bulb. Now it's time to replace the bulb itself. Carefully twist the old bulb counterclockwise to unlock it from its housing and then pull it straight out. When handling the new bulb, remember to avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb into the housing, twisting it clockwise until it's securely locked in place. To finish up, reconnect the electrical connector to your new bulb. Carefully slide the headlight assembly back into its original mounting position. Reinstall the two retaining bolts you removed earlier, making sure they are snug. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to confirm it's working correctly. You've successfully replaced your Nissan Titan headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.